back to my channel. Welcome to Chrissymmetry. You are in Kristen's kitchen. So one of the ways I live my life in balance is I meal prep. And meal prepping to me is very essential. So for this week, I am going to share with you a jerk tenderloin, turkey tenderloin recipe. So I already have the rinsed and patted dry turkey tenderloins. It's 4 big breasts. I get them from Lido. I don't know if your store carries turkey tenderloin like that, but it's a lean cut of meat and you want to cook it whole, so you don't want to split it up. Just cook it just like it is in this whole breast form. So I'm going to do a little marinade. So I have do 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And this olive oil, y'all, this is authentic olive oil. I got it from a olive oil club. I was a part of keto camp, which Ben Azadi, he's amazing, but he has a keto camp, which is pretty cool. And basically, if you wanted to, you could join the membership and get olive oil from different parts of the country, but that are very authentic olive oil. I think the trick was, if it doesn't burn, then it's not authentic. So essentially, here we go, olive oil. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of onion just for some more flavor, if I don't spill it all over myself. All right, yes, get into it. So this is pre-made, homemade jerk sauce, not jerk sauce, jerk dry rub that I made, because I do like Walker's Wood, I think, jerk seasoning, but just because I'm trying to get it cleaner and I don't want a lot of other added ingredients, I made it myself. You can smell all the wonderful spices. That might make me sneeze. But I'm just gonna generously drop that in here. So I'm gonna let this marinate for 24 hours. 24 hours. So I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. So there'll be a part 2 of this video. All right, guys, so this is my meal prep for this week. I had already marinated my jerk turkey tenderloins for about 24 hours. Now I'm going to get a good sear on it. Yes, you hear that sound? That's the sound you want to hear, to know. So this is gonna sear, this is gonna sear for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then I'm gonna transfer it in the oven. And it's great to use cast iron, so cast iron can go right into the oven. I have the oven preheated for 400. All right, time to flip these bad boys over. So you see that? Can you see that? I hope so. That's a little sear, a little color on the one side. So I also use pure avocado oil. This oil is great because it has a high smoke point. So the smoke point is almost up to 520. So this is a great alternative to your like olive oil, because olive oil is not supposed to be heated really high. So this is a good alternative to a vegetable oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, whatever those oils, no bueno, okay? And then I did the sear to lock in the moisture, to lock in the juice, because we're gonna eat it all week and you want it to be juicy and not dried out. When you're working with turkey tenderloin, you want to keep the whole breast together. You don't want to slice it up or anything like that. But tenderloin is a good piece of meat, and it's very lean, and it's great for weight loss. So, you know, I'm just sharing my tips. I'm just sharing with you guys because I want you to be successful. I want you to be able to reach your goals, you know, and it is not easy, guys. I know that. So what I like to do, though, is make it fun. So I got some more meal prep containers. I got these from Amazon, but it's the 2 portion. So you can put like your meat and veggie here, and like your carb here, and something like that. However you want to do it. In the oven, and I'm going to bake it with my timer on for about 15 minutes. this is what it looks like out of the oven. I cooked it for about 35 minutes. It is obviously still cooking. So what I'm gonna do is wrap it, put some foil on top of it and let it cook a little bit more and cool down. And then I'm gonna cut it. So you wanna slice the meat when it is cool, not hot, so it doesn't get too dry and shredded up. All right? All right, guys, so we are back and we got a good looking turkey tenderloin, jerk turkey tenderloin. It smells amazing. Let's go ahead and slice it up. What you guys think of this video. Let me know if you want more videos like that, more food intense videos, more recipe ideas, things to get you, moving in the right direction. I'm here for you. I'm here as your guide. Again, I'm not perfect. I'm just working through it just like you. I just want to encourage you to just be the best you can be. So until we meet again, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.